Hello everyone, welcome to the world of competition. My name is Amit Anand, faculty of CAT. I teach quantitative aptitude and LRDI. So today, one of the best student, her name is Risu, is going to talk about the Hindu analysis. So listen to her and give your lovely comment. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome to the world of competition. My name is Rishu and I am a student of CAT 2022 and my mentor who is helping me in my effective preparation is Amit sir. He is a faculty of quantitative aptitude LRDI and VARC. So today in this video I am going to discuss editorial news headlines trouble in Bangladesh. In this, as we have witnessed in this news that a incident took place in which a wave of communal violence have been witnessed in the Bangladesh. As we know that in India the Hindus celebrate the Durga Puja seasons, and it has been a very it has a major festivals among the Hindu communities. So a major outbreak of communal violence took place in among the minority Hindu community in Bangladesh, where radical Islamists attacked the minority Hindu community, which led to several other violence and incidents and the mob violence in the country, and leading to several other deaths and the collapse of buildings and other damages being taken place. But as we know that but we have to know that what are its impact on India, as India and Bangladesh being the neighboring country and they share several other regional powers among them. But this incident has greatly been condemned by the regional power like India and other global powers and global organizations like United Nations and United States of America. This incident triggered out when a news was circulated on the social media where an image was allegedly being shown as disrespecting Quran. But the good part out of this incident, that a very quick action has been taken by the Bangladeshi government. The Prime Minister of Bangladesh, Sheikh Hasina, and Awami League, which was led by Awami League Party, she has taken a quick action against this, as several cases have been filed and hundreds of people have been arrested. Also, the Indian High Commission there in Bangladesh have reached out to the victims and they have shown their soft cornered part to them and helped them to get them back to their places and get them their shelter and their reliefs. So as we know that the Bangladesh has a history of communal violence, and the minorities there have always been attacked by the majorities. And but India has all the rights to speak in as a act of violence, but they cannot directly interfere in Bangladesh internal matters. Bangladesh has already condemned the India's policies on NRC and CA, where they have where Bangladesh has directly been blamed that all the NRC policies which have taken place in the Assam, they have reached out as an they have come out as a they have come out as a direct deportation of the migrants from the Bangladesh. So keeping all this in mind and witnessing all these incidents which have took place in the Bangladesh, leading to all the communal violence and the protest, both the countries should keep in mind that any of the communal violence or any of the domestic politics cannot harm the carefully nurtured decade-old historical politics of India and Bangladesh. Thank you so much.